Marketing can be applied in varied forms to numerous fields today. It has come up as an art of promoting products to the customer. One of the most innovative forms of marketing is marketing of food over social media. It is a creative way of appealing to the broad base of customers. This video presents the top food marketing blogs in India that you must know about. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about the latest updates from Unisquare Concepts. Everybody is able to form a special connect with food. A good example is the hashtag food game on Instagram. People simply upload pictures of food and put hashtag food in the caption. The photo reaches millions through that one hashtag. This is one way of marketing of food over social media. Number 5. Saffron Trail. Saffron Trail is a 10-year-old food blog started by Nandita Iyer. She loved cooking, photography, and traveling. She didn't mix all this up with the technical aspect of food marketing. Rather, she started writing content. The content was her recipes, which gave a kickstart to her food blogging career. She was able to reach thousands of people in no time. Saffron Trail is all over the social media today: Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The primary key to the success of Saffron Trail is SEO-based content. And irrespective of any niche, you cannot ignore the importance of SEO-based content in case you want to reach more and more targeted audience online. So, it's one of the best Indian food blogs of the present times. All the recipes, articles revolve around particular keywords. Number 4. Nisha Madhulika, top food marketing blogs in India. Nisha Madhulika is a successful Indian YouTube blogger. She began her YouTube channel in the year 2011. She uploads various food recipes. Those recipes target the basic daily needs of every homemaker. An Indian homemaker should be given due credit for the success of Nisha Madhulika's YouTube channel. The videos focus on the common day-to-day problems of a homemaker. For example, every mother wants new ideas to give a healthy diet to her family. The videos serve as a solution to such common problems encountered. Moreover, the ingredients used in the video are readily available. She targets the basic needs of every homemaker today. It is one of the ideal examples of food marketing over social media with a purpose. Once you get enough views on your YouTube channel, you get authorized by YouTube to play video ads before or in between your videos. This is a common money-making thing for YouTubers. And if you are interested in placing your business on the famous YouTube channels. Number 3. Manjula's Kitchen. Manjula's Kitchen is an Indian food blog started by Manjula Jain. Hailing from a North Indian family, she had a keen interest in cooking since her childhood days. She paid attention to her mother while she used to cook. Her blog is famous for vegetarian recipes and their video tutorials. The successful concept involved in her blog is transforming the Indian cooking into a simple way of cooking. She explains the basic fundamentals of Indian cooking. It is one of the best Indian food blogs to take up Indian cooking for the beginners. Number 2. Passionate About Baking. Passionate About Baking is a food blog owned by Diba Rajpal. It is famous for baking recipes and tutorials. However, it gives out cooking recipes, baking recipes, food cultures, cuisines, and trends. Baking isn't very widespread in India. Majority of people give up on baking because of the complicated ingredients involved. This food blog mainly focuses on transforming baking into a simple process. It gives new and creative ideas of baking every day. The owner of the blog experiments with new ingredients like fruits, different types of breads, alternative flours, etc. It is an effective platform to learn baking and be up to date with the new and emerging trends. It has been rated as one of the top food marketing blogs in India. Number 1. Bombay Booker is one of the top food marketing blogs in India. Bombay Booker is an Instagram handle which provides great culinary insights. From street foods to lavish dinners, it is a great way to follow the food life of Bombay. It provides attractive photos of a variety of food. The audience can refer to their Instagram handle before choosing their place for dinner in Bombay. It is one of the Indian food epitomes on Instagram. If you own a restaurant, you should probably get your food's photo on their page. We are well aware of the fact that it is a great way to get in touch with their followers. So, all of the above are the best Indian food blogs. They exemplify a pinnacle of creativity and innovation in this arena. You may subscribe to them for being up to date with the best kinds of dishes around you. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.